Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest work from home jobs. Let us discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, X Business Innovations is hiring for sales executive and business development executive positions, like freshers and experienced candidates both can apply. And you please check once like qualifications and experience required. If you are eligible for any of the job position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. And for more detailed information, you can please go through the website link. Next one, there is a job opening for HR recruiter for Bpo Hiring, and it is from Fidelis Corporate Solutions Private Limited. For this position, you must have minimum 6 months of experience in Bpo Hiring, and the CTC will be negotiable, and the notice period will be immediate to 15 days. If you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, Informate is hiring for Management Information System Executive position. You must have 6 months to 1 year of work experience. The CTC will be up to 18,000 per month, and currently it will be work from home. If you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for Java full stack developer from BeansBit. For this position, you must have minimum 1 year of work experience in Spring Boot, Hibernate, Core Java, database query and OOPS concepts. And the work locations will be Pune, Mumbai and Bangalore, and currently it will be work from home. If you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, Maximus India is hiring for Java full stack developer and Java backend developers for product based company. Like you must have 1 to 8 years of relevant work experience. You should have excellent knowledge of core Java and Spring, and candidates should have working knowledge of web services, and you should have worked in the distributed agile model and continuous integration. And you please check once list of the qualifications and experience required. If you are eligible for any of the job position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for React.js developer from Weblisto. For this position, you must have 2 to 8 years of work experience, and the salary will be up to 15 lakhs per annum, and they are looking for the immediate joinees, and the work location will be Indore, Madhya Pradesh, and work from home option is also available. If you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, Shine Web Services is hiring for PHP developers, Laravel developers and full-time full-stack developers. Like you must have 3 to 5 years of work experience. The salary will be based in industry, and the location will be work from home. If you are eligible for any of the job position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, Human Capital Consultancy Services is hiring for one of the US based MNC. They are looking for the Senior Product Engineer Java. The candidate must have 5 to 8 years of work experience, and the CTC will be up to 20 to 25 lakhs per annum, and the work location will be Mumbai. Like it will be work from home initially. If you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.